If your factory is also suffering the epidemic, please watch this video. Before the epidemic, our equipment was working 24 hours a day. There are so many orders that we only have 1 day a month to repair the equipment. Now the total production time can only ensure 24-hour continuous production in 26 days of a month. Since this year, our factory has enough time for equipment and factory maintenance. At the same time, we will not spend more time in production, but in the upgrading of product process and raw material quality, because we believe that after the epidemic, our factory will have more than 3 times orders per month compared with now. Only the upgraded factory equipment and product process can meet the high order quantity and the customer quality demand at that time. Alucoworld will wait with you for the glory after the epidemic.